Oh, hello, it's me, Gigi. I did go to bed in the hours morning. Did you back quotation part 1 meet the stars? Oh, that's great. I wake up on the morning. When Dino wakes up, I wake up. Like to learn about the stars. The sun is the center of the solar system. Is made of hydrogen and a positive helium. The sun is a big ball of gas. Sun is the yellow round object. An orange small star, smaller than the sun. Tournament is an orange star. You can find it in the winding constellation. TRAPPIST-1. TRAPPIST-1 is a red white dwarf star. You can find it in the schooner winding constellation very, very close to today. It has 7 orbital planets. You are called an alien inside TRAPPIST-1. Brown dwarf star is Dana 1. Dana 1, you can find it in the white dwarf constellation. Is in the cluster in the constellation. Is a brown dwarf star. Is brown and more than Jupiter. Taurus, a red giant star, comes after Dana 1. It's called Arcturus. Is a red dwarf star. You can find it in the winding constellation. It's bigger than Y school tie. Its nose has a red giant star. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant. Betelgeuse is billion times bigger than our sun. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant. You can find Betelgeuse in the winding constellation. You're getting good. Voyager, a blue supergiant star. You can find it in the constellation, Orion constellation. But we got a silver one and got a huge one. Do you know what that star? That's right. It's Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is a red, blue, sky blue giant. Is 4 times billion bigger than the sun. Neutron star. Neutron. There's actually 2 of neutrons. Neutrons A big than neutron speed. White dwarf star. Procyon. There's actually 2 Procyons. Procyon A bigger than Procyon. Procyon B bigger than Procyon A. Binary stars. Strictly harder. This actually is serious. White dwarf star. There's actually 2 of Sirius. Sirius A, big, mean-stricken. Sirius A, white dwarf star. In the constellation, it can orbit around each other. Supergiant is a yellow giant star. You can find it in the constellation, but it's a yellow and it's brighter in the sun. We got 1 more star special to see. A red supergiant, bigger than all the other stars. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please, we will do part 2, meet more stars. Bye. Subscribe under your channel and do many things you like, or play games on just on BD3 or just on customers on 3D5 on YouTube and on 3DI. Bye.